ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 353। For Brahma Vidya, Vairagya is the most important. For that Vairagya alone, Bhashyakar here gives Atah Prajna Kriya Lakshana Prabandha Arudha Sarvo Lokah Sadhya Sadhana Lakshana Kriya Phalatmakah संहत अनेक प्राणी कर्म वासना संतान अवष्टब्धत्वात् क्षणिको अशुद्धो असारो नदी स्रोतः प्रदीप संतान कल्पः कदली स्तंभवद असारः फेन माया मरिच्यंबः स्वप्नादि समः तदात्मगत दृष्टीनाम अविकीर्यमाणो नित्यः सारवान इव लक्ष्यते। This Vairagya is required for Brahma Vidya. So the greater amount of Vairagya we have towards Idam, then we can start working on Vairagya towards Aham, Ahankara. This Vairagya will help me in abidance in Brahma, Brahmanishtha. Otherwise, every time I will say Aham Brahmasmi, I will try to think Aham Brahmasmi, and with Aham, Ahankara Spuranam will happen. Because I have not detached myself from this Aham. So first, where should I detach myself from? Idam. If Idam Vastu itself keeps me occupied, then this is even more difficult. See about samsara, what he has said. We saw it a little bit more again. The samsara sarvoloka prajna kriya lakshana prabandharuda. Prajna means upasana, kriya karma. Karma and upasana lakshana. The whole samsara is this. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, we saw sukha dukha taratamya is because of dharma adharma taratamya, which is resulting in adhikari taratamya. Means there is variety of people, the seekers, and all that taratamya is because of karma and upasana. Karma upasana taratamya will result in all this. Tad lakshana prabandha arudaha. Prabandha is like a project. Prabandha here means this is the niyama. On this people are riding. Everybody is riding on this samsara, which is prajna kriya lakshana prabandha. Tasmin narudaha sarvolokaha. Sadhya sadhana lakshana. Samsara is sadhya sadhana lakshana or lokaha is sadhya sadhana lakshana. Kriya phalatmakaha. Kriya karaka phalatmakaha. Karaka is not given, you can understand. And all pranis samhata aneka prani karma vasana santana avashtabdhatvat. This is the hetu. Some people may think because it is given nityaha saravan iva lakshyate. in the third line. Some people think this is Nitya Saravan Iva. So in Tika, see, where do we have to start from? Prajna Kriyabhyam Hetubhyam Lakshyate. From there. Let us see from 352, second last line. Prajna Kriyabhyam Hetubhyam Lakshyate. Vyavartyate Nishpadyate Yah Prabandha. With the help of these two hetu, this prabandha is indicated, lakshyate, vyavartyate, nishpadyate. Samudayas tadarudaha sarvolokaha. Everybody is sitting on top of this. Means wherever this goes, they will go. Like if everybody is sitting on some train or bus, then wherever it goes, they have to go. They don't have choice. सर्वोलोकः चेतना चेतनात्मको द्वैत प्रपंचः. लोकः मीन्स द्वैत प्रपंचः. जड़ चेतन रूप साध्यत्वेन साधनत्वेन च वर्तमानः. आइदर इट इज साध्य और इट इज साधन. ज्ञान कर्म फल भूतः. इट इज उपासना एंड कर्म. देयर रिजल्ट ज्ञानम च कर्म च कर्म ज्ञान कर्माणि ज्ञान कर्मणि तयोः फलभूतः संसारः. क्षणिक क्षणिको अपि नित्य इव लक्ष्यते. Even though it is kshanika, it appears it is same. Why? Tatra hetu samhata aneka prani karma vasana santana avashtabdatva. Because everybody's vasanas are connected with this. Samhata means it is a sanghata. Santana avashtabdatva. Kshaniko ashuddho asaro. The samsara is kshanika, but nitya iva lakshyata. टीका संहतानां मिथः सहायत्वेन स्थितानां अनेकेषां प्राणिनां अनन्तानि कर्माणि वासनाश्च तत्संतानेन अवष्टब्धत्वात् दृढीकृतत्वात् इति यावत्. संहतानां, what is part of a big group, then mithah sahayatvena, paraspara they will support each other, and because of the paraspara sahaya, mithah sahayatvena sthitanam anekesham praninam anantani karmani vasanascha. So many jivas, so many karmas, so many vasanas, all of them put together. What works when, what triggers when, nobody knows. Our own mind we can watch how one day something, next day something else, or one moment something, next moment something else. Anantani karmani vasanascha tad santanena avashtabdhatvat. Santana means tat santati is that which continues. Avashtabdhatvat. Avashtabdha dridhikritatvat. Supported by it and nourished by it. प्रातितिकम एव संसारस्य स्थैर्यं न तात्विकम इति वक्तुम वेशिनष्टि. There is only pratitika samsarasya स्थैर्यम. Means everything appears, everything is settled. Everything is settled. There is no settled, everything is unsettled. Pratitikam स्थैर्यम न तात्विकम. How it is? Nadi srotaha प्रदीप संतान कल्पः. नदी स्रोतः like a river flow, so it is continuous. We don't get the idea that it is different when we go on seeing Gangaji. We never think, oh, this today is different Ganga, or here Ganga is different, there Ganga is different. This idea we never get. We think it is same. It is not same. So that is the Bheda. Pratitika Nityatvam. Nadi Srotaha and Pradipa Santana, Deepakalika. It continues and gives the feeling Sayam, Sa Iyam in this. Pradipa Santana Kalpaha. Okay. Each Visheshana has a purpose. So, the samsara is Ashuddha, Asara. Asara because you will not get anything out of that. That is explained in the next word. For Ashuddha, this Tippanikar, Kamadi Dushtaha. Because Kama Shabda was not given, Kriya Karaka was not given, Kriya was given, Phala was given. So you have to understand, after Avidya will come Kama, then Karma. Karma is also performed because of Kamana. Upasana is also performed because of Kamana only. So Kamana is the Moolam. Kadali Stambhava, Tika, Asaropi Saravad Bhati iti atra drishtantamaha Kadali Stambhavad Asara. Kadali Stambha, you go on thinking there is something and you go on removing the layers and nothing will come out. Kadali Stambhavad Asara. The sooner we understand this, the better Brahmajnanam will take place. As long as something will happen, understand nothing is going to happen there. Kadali Stambhavad. Means mukhya focus should be only Brahma. Sansara is asar only. Ashuddho api shuddhavad bhati iti atra udaharanam aha. And it is ashuddha but shuddhavad bhati. What is the drishtanta? Phena maya maricyambaha swapnadi samaha. Phena drishtanta, on that he has not written maya. Ashuddha. Maya means what is not there is appearing. This is like a magic show. Shuddhavad bhati. Actually, Maya, so we should understand Anyatha Prakatanam. More that is appropriate. That what is the samsara? Anyatha Prakatanam. It will appear something different only. Different than what it is actually. Like magic show, they show something. Reality is totally different. Marichi Ambaha. So their jal is appearing, it is not there. Swapnadi Sama, like Swapna. Tika. Anekodaharanam samsarasya anekarupatva dyotanartham. Why so many drashtantas are given? To show samsara is having anekarupatva dyotanartham. Tad atmagata drashtinam further. Kesham punaresha samsaro anyatha bhati iti apekshayam samsaraya paragdrasham iti nyayena aha. Katham punaresha samsaro anyatha bhati. Then why this samsara appears anyatha? Iti apekshayam samsaraya paragdrasham. Those who are paragdrisha for their samsaranam. Samsaraya means chaturthi, for their samsaranam. Those who are seeing anatma, they have to go through this journey more and more, again and again. Iti nyayena aha tadatmagata drashtinam avikiryamano nityah sarvan iva lakshyate. Tadatmagata drashtinam means those who identify with it, this anatma, this ashuddha, asara, samsara. See, nitya sarvan, somebody will say, I don't see it in nitya. Yes, but in my buddhi, this doesn't keep coming that time is going away, opportunity is going away for my moksha, or that whatever is there with me, they are also all anitya. Things will go away. And therefore, why spend time and energy on those anitya vastu? This, when I forget, that is called nitya iva lakshyate. We are not going to take anything from here. Why spend time on those things which is not going to add to my moksha? Bottom line is going to be this only. Is it going to add to my moksha? Then work for it, otherwise leave it. किमिति प्रतिक्षण प्रध्वंसी जगत इति श्रुत्या उच्यते तत्राह. This jagat is pratikshana pradvansi. At every moment there is vinasha. Budbudavat sannibham nashaprayam. That there is a shloka given in Mandukya Karika, second chapter, at the end of 31st Karika Bhashya. So Mahabharata or something. Varsha Budbuda Sannibham. This Jagat. After that, Gandharva Nagaram Yatha, in that. किमिति प्रतिक्षण प्रध्वंसी जगत श्रुत्या उच्यते तत्राह तदेतद वैराग्यार्थम उच्यते. Why this is said jagat is pratikshana pradvansi etc. Vairagyartham, so that you get vairagya. धिया धिया जनयते कर्मभिर यद् न कुर्यात् क्षीयेतः इति. धिया धिया janayate, through buddhi, again and again it is created. Karmabhihi. Yad etan na kuryat क्षीयेत iti. If the jagat is not again and again created by karma upasana, then certainly its kshaya will happen. Kshiyetaha iti. Tika. Vairagyamapi kutra upayujyate. So, this is the sequence. Jagat is talked about as, see, earlier topic was karma upasana. Saptanna, from Saptanna, connection was karma upasana. All of them, they all become bhojya of each other. Karma upasana, because there is variety. Karma upasana topic further talks about samsara. Samsara has all these doshas. Why all these things are discussed? Why it is pratikshana pradvansi? For vairagya. Why vairagya is discussed? वैराग्यमपि कुत्र उपयुज्यते इति तत्र आह विरक्तानां हि अस्मात् ब्रह्म विद्या आरब्धव्या चतुर्थ प्रमुखेन इति। विरक्तानां हि अस्मात् ब्रह्म विद्या आरब्धव्या, ओनली फॉर दोज हु हैव वैराग्य ब्रह्म विद्या आरब्धव्या, ब्रह्म विद्या शुड बी स्टार्टेड, टेकन अप। चतुर्थ प्रमुखेन, चतुर्थ वेद क्रम, इन वेद इट इज चतुर्थ अध्याय। सीन 8 नंबर टिप्पणी, चतुर्थादि अध्यायेन इत्यर्थः। चतुर्थत्वं च बृहदारण्य अपेक्षया उपनिषद अपेक्षया तु द्वितीयत्वम्। बृहदारण्यक शुड बी देयर, बृहदारण्य अपेक्षा इज गिवन, बृहदारण्यक अपेक्षया चतुर्थ अध्याय। इन बृहदारण्यक 8 chapters are there. Of the first two, Pravargya Brahmana is there. Then this is the third chapter. Fourth chapter will be next one. Ashwalayana Raja and Drupta ki. In that Brahma Vidya will come. To come to that, first you have to have more Vairagya. Everybody has Vairagya. And without Vairagya, nobody is going to study even all this Brahadaranyaka and all with all this detail. There itself people give up. इतना कौन पढ़ेगा? And every day you have to study. So Vairagya is there. But all this when we hear, so something which is there in the back of our mind comes forward. It becomes fresh. More Vairagya. Iti vairagyam arthavat iti shesha. Therefore, vairagya description and attaining vairagya is meaningful. Prayojanavat. Arthavat means prayojanavat. Purusho annanam akshaya hetu riti upapadya tad jnanam anudya tat phalam aha. Purusha is akshaya hetu for annam. Akshiti it is given. Tad jnanam anudya. So having spoken about the jnanam, tad jnanam means that Purusha nishtha anna akshaya hetutva jnanam. Why this anna doesn't have kshaya? Anudya tat phalam aha. Yo vai etam akshitim veda iti vakshamanani api त्रीणि अन्नानि अस्मिन् अवसरे व्याख्यातानि एव इति कृत्वा तेषां याथात्म्य विज्ञान फलम् उपसंहर्यते। यो वै एतां क्षितिं वेद, अक्षितिं वेद, those who know akshiti of annam, vakshamani api trini. How many annams have discussed? 4 are already discussed. How many are remaining? 3. They are vakshamanani. Vakshamanani api trini annani asmin avasare vyakhyatani eva iti kritva. As if they are already defined, explained. They are not yet. It's next mantra. Iti kritva tesham yathatmya vijnana phalam upasamhriyate. What is the result of knowing their swarupa? Yathatmya vijnana phalam. यो वै एताम अक्षितिम अक्षय हेतुम यथोक्तम वेद. The one who knows the akshitim akshay hetum yathoktam veda, in tika it is given yathoktam anuvadati. Purusho va akshitihi sahi idam annam dhiya dhiya janayate karmabhir yadhaitat na kuryat kshiyeta ha iti. This is already given in mantra. This was already given in bhashya. Bhashyakara is given again. पुरुषो वा अक्षिति ही, पुरुष इज अक्षिति, स ही इदम अन्नम धिया धिया जनयते. With his karma upasana, he creates this annam again and again. If he doesn't produce this, then it will become kshina. यद्दैतन्न कुर्यात् क्षीयेतः इति. टीका. फल विषयम मंत्रपदम उपादाय तदीयम ब्राह्मणम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. फल विषयम मंत्रपदम उपादाय. फल विषय का मंत्र पद, मंत्र एंड ब्राह्मण टू आर देयर. मंत्र पद ही हैज टेकन. उपादाय, देन तदीयम ब्राह्मणम अवतार्य. For the same topic now, he brings Brahmana and explains. So annam atti pratikena iti asya artha uchyate. So annam atti, this is given in Brahmana. Artha, what is the meaning of that? Mukham, mukhyatvam, pradhanyam iti etat. Mukham means mukhyatvam, pradhanyam. प्राधान्येन एव अन्नानां पितुः पुरुषस्य अक्षितित्वम यो वेद. प्राधान्येन मीन्स प्रधान रूपेण, प्रिडोमिनेंटली, मुख्य वृत्त्या. अन्नानां पितुः पुरुषस्य अक्षितित्वम. अन्नानां पितुः पुरुष, तस्य अक्षितित्वम यो वेद. सो अन्नम अत्ति न अन्नम प्रति गुणभूतः सन यथा अग्न्यो न तथा विद्वान् अन्नानाम् आत्मभूतो भोक्तैव भवति न भोज्यताम् आपद्यते. सह अन्नम अत्ति, he consumes annam, means he is bhokta, he does not become bhojya. न अन्नम प्रति गुणभूतः सन. Who is this? Yo Veda. Veda means upasate. This upasaka who is doing this anna upasana in this way, that Purusha is akshitihi. Because of this Purusha, this jiva, annam will keep on producing, and that his karma upasana brings more and more. That person annam prati gunabhutaha na syad. He will not become gauna towards anna. He will remain pradhana. Yatha agnya, agnya will become gauna. He will become annam. He will not be bhokta. He will be bhojya. Na tatha vidwan अन्नानाम आत्मभूतो भोक्तैव भवति न भोज्यताम आपद्यते. न तथा मीन्स यथा अग्न्यः न तथा विद्वान. विद्वान विल बी अन्नानाम आत्मभूतो भोक्ता एव भवति न भोज्यताम आपत्ति. ही विल नॉट बिकम भोज्य. He will not become bhojya. Now we have to think about this, what it means. See in Tika, yathokta upasanavato yathoktam phalam. The one who does this upasana, purusho vakshitihi, sahi idam annam diya diya janate, his phalam is this. Pradhanyena eva so annam atti iti sambandha. He consumes this phalam pradhanyena. Vidusho annam prati gunatva abhave hetumaha. Vidusha will not become gauna towards annam. What is the hetu? Annanam atmabhuto bhokta eva, because he remains bhokta. Uktam artham sangrihnati bhokta eva na bhojyatam apadyate. Means he will remain pradhana over his karma phala. Everybody has to go through karma phala. For some people, karma phala will push this person behind in his journey. For some, because he is a great upasaka, karma phala will not push him behind. he will remain bhokta. He will not become bhojya means paristhiti is greater than me. Bhokta means I am greater than paristhiti. I can handle it. In simple terms. Why? Because I have upasana balam. You say Ishwar Bhakti is there or whatever. That is my balam. That is my samarthya. Then he will remain bhokta. Here the upasana is that this is how this world is going to be. And this jiva goes on producing, it will go on happening. Prashasti siddhaye prapanchayati. Prashasti means upastehe. 8 number tippani. Prapanchayati mantrartham kathayati. Mantrartha is explained. स देवान अपि गच्छति. स ऊर्जम उपजीवति. देवान अपि गच्छति. This is given in mantra. Sa devan api gacchati, sa urjam upajivati. So he attains those devatas and attains the immortality, amritam. Devatma bhavam pratipadyata urjam amritam cha upajivati iti yaduktam sa prashansa na apurvartho anyo asti. Devatma bhavam pratipadyate urjam means amritam cha upajivati. This is prashansa. Yaduktam sa prashansa. It is not apurva artha. Na apurva artho anyo asti. So this is not apurva and therefore what is said is actual. This is prashansa. Upasana prashansa is done. With this mantra is complete. Bhashya, tika, everything. Now see next one. Sadhanatmakam anna chatuштयम अन्न अक्षय कारणम अक्षितित्व गुण प्रक्षेपेण पुरुषोपासनस्य फलम च उक्तम. इदानीम आ ब्राह्मण समाप्तेर उत्तर ग्रंथस्य तात्पर्यम आह. साधनात्मकम अन्न चतुष्टयम अन्न अक्षय कारणम अक्षितित्व गुण प्रक्षेपेण Purushopasanasya phalancha uktam. All these three things are said. How many things are given in this line? 3. 3. Sadhanatmakam anna chatuштयम 1. Second, anna akshaya karanam akshititva guna and tat prakshepena purushopasanasya phalancha. 3 things are given. Uktam. Idanim, now, a brahmana samaptehe. From here until the end of this brahmana. Uttar granthasya tatparyam aha. Bhashyakar also wants to. So it is a twofold process. One is explaining each mantra. Second is keeping in mind what is the next thing. Means in the longer vision where it stands. Where are we now? In the complete map. Panktasya karmanah phalabhutani yani त्रीणि अन्नानि उपक्षिप्तानि तानि कार्यत्वात् विस्तीर्ण विषयत्वाच्च पूर्वेभ्यो अन्येभ्यः पृथक् उत्कृष्टानि येषां व्याख्यानार्थ उत्तरो ग्रंथ आ ब्राह्मण परिसमाप्तेः. तेषां व्याख्यानार्थ उत्तरो ग्रंथ. पांक्तस्य कर्मणः. पांक्तः
कर्म.
What are the pankta?
यजमाना पत्नी पुत्र मानुषम वित्तम दैवम वित्तम.
That is पांगतः कर्म. यजमान, पत्नी, पुत्र, मानुषम वित्तम, दैवम वित्तम. कर्मणः फलभूतानि यानि त्रीणि अन्नानि उपक्षिप्तानि. These are the three types of annam, अन्नानि उपक्षिप्तानि. तानि कार्यत्वात् विस्तीर्ण विषयत्वाच्च. They are all कार्य and विस्तीर्ण विषय. पूर्वेभ्यो अन्येभ्यः पृथक् उत्कृष्टानि. Superior to the earlier three are these, earlier four are these next three. तेषां व्याख्यानार्थ उत्तरो ग्रंथः. These three annams, they are superior to the earlier four. आ ब्राह्मण परिसमाप्ते है. Until the end of this Brahmana. टीका. ब्राह्मण शेषस्य तात्पर्यम् उक्त्वा मंत्रपदम् अनुद्य आकांक्षा द्वारा ब्राह्मणम् उत्थाप्य व्याचष्टे. टीकाकार यूसी त्वा एंड ल्यप प्रत्यय. ब्राह्मण शेषस्य तात्पर्यम् उक्त्वा 1, मंत्रपदम् अनुद्य 2, आकांक्षा द्वारा ब्राह्मणम् उत्थाप्य 3, then व्याचष्टे. Having done 1, 2, 3, now fourth thing in one vakya. ब्राह्मण शेषस्य तात्पर्यम् उक्तम् उक्त्वा मंत्रपदम् अनुद्य. Now mantrapada is referring to. Then आकांक्षा द्वारा ब्राह्मणम् उत्थाप्य. मंत्र भाग is there, ब्राह्मण भाग. ब्राह्मण उत्थाप्य व्याचष्टे. See the mantra now on previous page. In the mantra, one line is missing. In the book, it is probably there. But in those who have the online version, so I will read, you check that. त्रीणि आत्मने अकुरुत इति. मनो वाचं प्राणम तानि आत्मने अकुरुत. अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नादर्शम. अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नाश्रौषमिति. Then मनसा ह्येव पश्यति. In your book it is there. Is there?
Yes, Swamiji.
मनसा ह्येव पश्यति. मनसा शृणोति. कामः संकल्पो. In mind it is not there. कामः संकल्पो विचिकित्सा. श्रद्धा श्रद्धा धृतिरधृति ह्रीर् धीर् भीर् इत्येतत् सर्वं मन एव. तस्मादपि पृष्ठत उपस्पृष्टो मनसा विजानाति. यः कश्च शब्दो वागेव सा. एषा ह्यन्तम् आयत्यैषा हि न प्राणो पानो व्यान उदानः समानो. अन इति एतत् सर्वं प्राण एव. एतन्मयो वा अयमात्मा. वाङ्मयो मनोमयः प्राणमयः. This is the mantra. So the main is first portion. Main means for immediate thing. त्रीणि आत्मने अकुरुत. त्रीणि अन्नानि. These three annam. Atmane akuruta. Mano vacham prana. These are the three. So first four were, what are the annam? Ekam sadharanam. Dve devebhya. Hutam prahutam athva darsha purnamasa. Then pasha, payu, dugdham, payas. And then mano vacham pranam atmane. Tani atmane akuruta. These are for one's own self. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।